How to combine or merge videos on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Photos on your Android phone. Then, hold on to the video you want to merge. It will be selected. Now select the second video, and at the top, click on the plus sign. After you've clicked on the plus sign, click on Highlight Video. After you have clicked on Highlight Video in here, it will be uploaded. Now you can click on the video at the bottom and trim as you want. After you have done that, click on Save at the bottom right corner of your screen and your videos will be combined. This is how to combine or merge videos on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.